Good evening to all of us. Welcome to Escuelas Residence. Welcome to the most anticipated and the most prestigious party of our charming debutante who is now turning a fine lady. This is a quiet and very important event for his life, and she is much honored for your presence. Like Wendy in the movie Marathon, no more fairy tales story every night. She is now a real lady, and she stepped into much higher level of what we call life. Ladies and gentlemen, sit back as we go through, try, enjoy our party for tonight. But before we go on, it is my great honor to introduce our special guest for tonight. We have the Ethan Candles. We have the Ethan Candles. Please stand. Thank you. Ethan Candles, please. We have now the Ethan Roses from the boys. Thank you. And of course, guests came from the different places of Sorsogon. Welcome po sa lahat. Thank you very much. You can see. Without them, their life would be empty and unhappy. Let us give a big round of applause and honor to the people whom she truly loved. Sabi nga, marami tayong hinahanap na kapuso, pero isa lang ang ating kapamilya. Mga kaibigan, as we welcome the proud parents of the debutant, we have Fortunato Isbuenas. We have the mother, we have Grace Di Alca Isginas. Sisters and brother, we have Giselle. We have brother Jerry. Kyla Nicole. Aliyah. And Ace Lawrence. And of course, the grandfather we have, and the grandmother we have Lourdes Di Alca. And now, guests, ladies and gentlemen, let us all stand as we welcome the debutant as woman nature. And now, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Pamela Di Alca, Miss Gwen. Who is Pamela in the real sense of words? Of course, aside from being kind and responsible daughter, friends, or classmate maybe, there are things that some people know but not known to others. To spiritually open the program, May I ask everybody to please stand for the Lord's moment, for our guidance and blessing to be led to us. At doxology.
You are the rock of the beginning, one with God, the Lord Most High. Your hidden glory in creation, now revealed in you are Christ. What a beautiful name it is. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a beautiful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a beautiful name it is. The name of Jesus. Didn't want heaven without us. So Jesus, you brought heaven down. My sin was great, your love was greater. What could separate us now? What a wonderful name it is. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a wonderful name it is. Nothing compares to this. What a wonderful name it is. The name of Jesus. Death could not hold. They'll tore the fall. You silenced the boast of sin and grave. The heavens are roaring, the praise of your glory. For you are raised to life again. You have no rival, you have no equal. Now and forever, God, you reign. Yours is the kingdom, yours is the glory, yours is the name above all names. What a powerful name it is. What a powerful name it is. The name of Jesus Christ, my King. What a powerful name it is, and nothing can stand against. What a powerful name it is, the name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is, the name of Jesus. What a powerful name it is, the name of Jesus.
Thank you very much. To give us the opening remarks, a welcome address, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for Kagawa Duel.
Hello, Diyos marhay na gabi sa atong gabos. Welcome po sa kagabihon ni Pam sa 18th birthday. Gabos na naghali po sa iba, mga friends namon. Salamat po sa pagkadi sa nagligos kay Pam, kay Noms, at saka sa karupod niya. Tapos sa mga, iyarali niya ng mga taga-aruroy na nakisilibrar sa dibo ni Pam. At saka sa kaupod ko sa konseho, niyadi mas si Kagawad Kurt, nan sa mga mahabot na kagawad sa Banwata, yadi man po ang grupo ni Vice Grupo Londres, Kagawad Rigwab, si Nelson Baluloy, si Nestor Sota Dukot, Nars Bao, at si Tutoy Tripaldo San Guban. Yan po nagabi, sana mag-enjoy po kita, na mag-observe po kita ni Kagayuna, kaya magayun pang programa niya nagabi, dahil intero man po kita nakairingkod. Nan welcome po gabos dito sa resident nila Babang na ni Grace, and parents and nag-celebrate niya sa kabuksan kaya 18th birthday. Yan, Diyos marahil nagabi po ulit sa ating gabos, and God bless us all and good evening.
Thank you very much, Kagawad Roy Bukay. And to represent Pamela's circle of important people to her life, let us welcome the following persons who will share their wishes. The 18th candle, it involves the woman who is important to be given as advisor, teacher, and trusted friends. They then each light candles that symbolize light that will guide the girl to her life journey. Once all 18 candles have been lit, it's all placed in the repeated birthday cake and blow out. Ladies and gentlemen, the 18th candle to begin with. To begin with Febby Piao. Next we have Sherilyn Barcenas. Okay, but we will go to the 18 candles. We will have first intermission number to given to us by Kuya George from Gubat. Gubat Source Sukumas. Hello, sir.
Okay, happy birthday, Pamela. Pasensya na po kayo sa inyo, biglaan. Anyway, pupunta dito yung pamangkin ko, yung sa tawag ng tanghalan, si Adrian Ebreja. So, meron po kasi kami schedule. So, abangan niyo po, baka po bumisita po kami dito sa Huban. Yan, si Adrian Ebreja, ang depending champion, semi-finalist, pambato ng Gubat. Yan. Para sa iyo, Pamela. My lady, Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly honest, let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you, how I needed you. So please be my lady. Maybe you could ease the pain if you just told me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, is it hidden? In your smile, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No one's divided now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Wala ba mga kamay dyan? Salamat po. Be my lady. You're the one that I adore. So please believe me. I can never find the courage to resist your charms. Nothing's more divine than its moment. You are mine, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No words divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make it a new start. Stay with me night and day through the rest of my life. Just like a work of art, my love will last until forever. Anyway, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Once again, happy birthday.
Thank you very much. Aiden candles represent Aiden female in the court and a symbol of loved ones lighting the way to adulthood. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll come now to the Aiden candle to begin with Miss Febby the Office. We have Caroline Bartena.
Salamat po sa naging pinsan ko ako. Naging barkada ko. Nagtatago kami ng salamat kay Ada ko ang kayo para sa akin. Mas kilay kita nag-uurok mo din sa iyo. Ada ka kayo para sa kursan. Mag-aral ka ngayon kayo para makatanga ang dating pinang-pinsa. Kung dati, magbabawi lang. Mas kanda ko malang ang nagagawa siya. Tapos, adilakan tayo para sa iyo. Malahan ka lang. Salamat.
Sherilyn Barcenas.
Happy birthday pa. Salamat sa pag-host kaya ka sa amon magpinsan na rin travel at nakalimutan. Siyempre, yada ka pero para tawanan ng mga sekreto. Araw na ko na nito. Sana lang ka magbago. Thank you kay mas kailan kita nagbabaragatan kaya ang closure na itong magpinsan mo nila ka mo. Maganda rin lang yan. Thank you.
Next we have Krisa Esquilona.
Happy birthday, may all the well-wishers come true. And ang wish ko lang sa'yo mo, siyempre mag-aral ka ngayon, safe ka rin na. And enjoy mo lang kasi yung new journey, adulthood. And lalo mo na mag-boyfriend and magsunod sa tita para mag-aral. And thank you sa, siyempre, happiness and sa mga bandang natin kaya lang. Thank you.
Next we have Jana Dupay.
Happy birthday ka. Masalamat sa biglaan na pag-ibig ako. Mag-ingat ka kung mag-abot ka sa mga enjoy mo lang na alaw mo. Happy birthday.
Next we have Saira Claveria.
Happy 18th birthday, Pam. Wish ko sa imo sana enjoy na pangarap mo matupad mo and stay good health. Ano lang.
Next we have Maureen Amor. Next we have Regine Salamati. Next we have Destiny Salazar.
Hi, Tita.
Next we have Eliza Ortiz.
Happy birthday, John. Magpapalala.
Next we have Ariane Iver.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Thank you sa pagkakas. Thank you na naging barkada ko lang almost. Siguro, sana magawa ko ang friendship natin. Magbarkada. Ang lang, happy birthday gihapon.
Thank you. Next we have Jewelry Brugada.
Hi, Paul. Happy birthday. Thank you sa pag-selfie. Salamat, brother. I love you.
Next we have Joyce Duca.
Thank you sa pag-invite. Thank you sa friendship. Sana, masigas ka nag-uurang. Dali mo ka naman ito. And, pray ka lang kami. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Next we have Rian Delia Puerto.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Ma'am Kaipang. Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for having the best elementary basic. Ang wish ko para sa inyo sana, may God bless your family and hoping na sana makapasa sa entrance exam sa college. And yan na nasa legal age ko na, ang advice ko lang sa inyo, dahil mahadlok mag-take a risk and ang mga responsibility put as priority. Thank you.
Next we have Ella Arilia. Next we have Tyra Joy Banzuela.
ang tungkol sa pag-ibig and hindi ko invite. Ako gusto sa good health and nakapag ng business mo. Nakapasakit sa college. Nakapagod. Ayun lang.
Next we have Kimberly Borromeo.
Hi pa, happy birthday. Buhay. Sino? Ay, maging na. Wala akong masabi. Pero sorry sa mga tampo ko. Di mo na kayo kuhan mag-jowa. Sa tampo ko palang sulit na. Pag gano'n mag-jowa lang. Happy birthday. Thank you, tita. Tita sa kayo na ba? Ito ba? Okay. Thank you. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana magkilampaw ka na. Tapos, bigyan mo na lang siya ka. Meron ka sana, makapasa ka pa sa MN lang siya. Yun lang, thank you, happy birthday.
Next we have Carla Isquenas.
Happy birthday, Pam. Baguhan mo ng pag-unggal mo naman. Tapos, minsan, mga gusto mo na hindi mo nakukuha. Mawawalit ko sa... Iniisip ko, ako ka, nagbabawi. Baguhan mo yung pag-uugali mo. Pag-iyak. Anong sabi ko sa'yo? Sana bago mo lang pag-uugali mo na. Ay, sorry. Happy birthday.
Next we have Ronaline Carlos.
Hello.
Pagabot sa dami pa mahal din akong kapusin. Alay,
Nalista po talaga ako para kay Pam. Nagsurat kami kanina. Hello, wala ko lagi.
isa din ni Runa rin mapunta na lamang ang hula.
Pamagmati ka. Red money.
Napapasok na.
Sana sa ngayon. Wala pa.
Kapag ito ulit, kay makukuha.
You are now celebrating. You are done being a kid.
Balik ka na kayang kandila.
Pwede ka na makulong. Congrats for finally becoming an adult. Di ko aram kung nasa... Pero gusto ko magpasalamat. Salamat kay, maski dati pa man abi kita nagsusuportahan. Kaya ikaw na ang Lain ako maya, inubos ko na kanina. Habang yung susurat sa din. Ikaw na ang nagtindog na best friend ko since birth joke. Since nakiaway kita sa sementeryo. Thank you Ate Pam sa gabos na advice. Salamat tunin sa pagdamay sa akon sa mga overthink sa utak mo. Salamat sa iyo. Joke, basta no more drama, kay kasakit good mag-isip. Basta, this is the beginning of a truly wonderful journey. Take charge of your own boat. How does it feel to finally to be responsible for your own actions? Pero, okay lang, responsible ka mo. May God always guide you in the right path. Mag-adal mayad, college na kita. Charlie pa lang nakapasa. Let me just remind you, there's always a perfect time in everything. There's no need to rush. Focus on your priority. Priority. Ang mga Pilipino ni priority. Bawasan ang kaka-overthink. Yun lang. Salamat. Enjoy your birthday. Yan ako, I love you. I love you.
Thank you very much. A round of applause to 18 lovely ladies as they light the fun way awarding here to adulthood. But we will have first a group picture and take contact with the DJ. Thank you very much. Before we continue our program, we would like also to acknowledge the presence of our I think there are six municipal aspirant for councilor, and we have Reguag, and of course we have Florida, and of course we have Lester Dupont, and of course we have Wilmore Abo, and of course the outgoing municipal councilor of Uban, we have Russell Vanessa, the outgoing. And of course we have now the vice mayor. Aspiring for vice mayor, we have Sumo Rodriguez. Thank you for sharing your time. Maraming salamat. Another intermission number. From Gubat, Sorsogon, Mr. Niel Eva. Sir Niel.
Hi po, happy birthday. Bibigyan po sa mga taga-Bulban. Unexpected naman po kasi di ba po kami birthday. Happy birthday po. Was not a foolish girl, you used to know, so love cold. Strong and I learn from my mistakes, which way to go, and I should know. Put myself aside to do it your way, but now we need to do it our love. Afraid to ride on my own. I don't really want to ride. Alright, I live my life doing it. No matter what I can feel it, you know. It's time for me to do it all on my can't go back to living through your eyes to make it life. And if you don't know, I can't go back to someone I never had a chance to do this my way. There's so much time for me to take control. And I pray to I don't be right. Alright, I live my life going. No matter what, I'm gonna feel it. It's time for me to do it all. Is that again? I'm running things in my way. Cause I cannot, I just begun. Don't ever think about it. I don't care if... Thank you po. Pasensya na po po.
Thank you very much. Gifts symbolize overflowing love, caring, and admiration. Ladies and gentlemen, we will come now to the offering of gift to the debutant. Let's call the following person. First, we have to D. Abitan. Actually, may palaro sana ako dito. Kakais sila ng buong pulburon bago sila magsasalita. Kaya nakita ko, lahat inuroblean ng dito, hindi pwede.
Happy birthday pa. Wish ko lang sa imo, sa buong pamilya, good health. Nanday ako nagtipid ako talaga ni sabihin niya kay nakalani ni sa mga bisita ta na ada ho. Salamat.
Thank you, Tudin. Welcome. Next, we have Venencia Felicida. Felicinda. Okay.
Ang price is brightness.
Gusto ko yung bangkang sa gabos.
Brightness.
Thank you. Happy birthday pa man. Amo lang tayo na.
Next, we have Rizel Delia Puerto.
Amo ng pinakataas.
Good morning po sa lahat. So, ang wish ko sa inyo pa, sana lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay matupad mo. So, kira Madi ng kay Padre sa pag-invite sa amo. So, yun lang, kasi nakakaiyak. Happy birthday ulit, Pam. God bless you. Yun lang.
Next, we have Miss Jinky Basilio.
Pam, happy birthday. Pag-alay ang magandang wish ko sa inyo na pretty, sexy, magabay. Happy birthday.
Next, we have Maricel Juneda.
Hello. Yay! 18 na siya. Hindi na siya matutulog po kung magka-boyfriend. Okay, ang wish ko lang is, always happy lang. And be responsible. Always make your mama and papa proud of you. Saka lagi lang mag-pray and study harder para sa maganda na future. Happy birthday!
Next, we have Mr. Dennis Divival.
ng college. Blessings na lang sa'yo mo. No power. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Next, we have Mr. Mario Lisortado. Next, we have Oriando Cartier, Florida.
Hello. Pamelawan, happy birthday. Ito sa araw na ito siguro, hindi ka nagaling din, hindi ka nagganap na dalalang Pilipino. Kaya sa ang wish ko sa mo, sa puso mo ang inang pagkata, amo man lang inang sa tuya na ano nato na walang pwede makaaraw. Alam naton ang suporta ni mama ni papa sa inyo hanggang sa hirap pagginhawa. And happy birthday. Thank you.
Next, we have Mr. Nelson Baluloy. Next, we have Mr. Romeo Bao, North Florida.
Just marahil na ba yung tayo? Happy birthday, Pam, ha? Magtapos habog ako sa matunon. Happy birthday ulit, Pam, and magtapos ka po kayo eskwela kasi I always believe education is a continuous process. So ang edukasyon, yan ang magiging best gift mo sa mundong ibabaw. Kaya, congratulations, 18. Happy birthday.
Next, we have the outgoing Municipal Councilor, Mr. Russell Balesa.
Good evening sa Intero Gabos, sa magurang na nagpursige sa day para sa imo na paborito, Pam. This is your day. Adlaw mo yan, kaya dapat maging happy ka. Kung taon naman ang happy ka. Andala ko pa lang di sa imo. Ay, Pam. Nalaugan pang Merry Christmas na surog din. Alam mo na ko nanonood ang laman sa day kasi kita mo manitiso eh. Actually, may nagsabi na dito, sagta ko no. Treasure talaga eh. Sabi man sa iba, money is the source of evil, pero pinahali ko yan. Pakahulugan na yan. If the money you put into right place, hindi yan magiging evil. Nagiging evil ang kwarta pag iba ang pagkagamit. Ginamit. But the money itself is not an evil. Put the money inside your pocket. Palaguin mo siya. And remember, do not put the money inside your brain. Kaya amoy na maluwas. Evil ang magiging kaulugan. Happy birthday, Pam!
Thank you very much, Kagawad Municipal Councilor Russell Balesa. Next, we have Mario Lisortado.
Happy birthday. Ang mo lang yun na, kayo tumong kanina, Mike.
Next, we have Albert Totoy Grifaldo. Ay,
Hello. Thank you, thank you. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Thank you for inviting me here with our company. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, Camila. You are now 18 years old. You have a freedom to think about your future in the coming years. But Kuya Totoy is telling you, remind you to study well, be educated, because that is the foundation that will be taken or stolen from you. And that will a foundation to build you a beautiful family in the future. Once again, Camila, happy birthday and good luck on your next journey. Thank you so much and God bless us all.
next we have Nestor Suta Duko.
Hello. Bakit ko uno na yun? Happy birthday. Salamat sa pag-invite mo sa amon. Pati kang papa mo lang kang mama mo. Kaya, adi kami niya. So, nag-adal ka pa? Eskwela ka pa? Sana ipadagos mo ang pag-adal mo. Kung ano man ang advice ni papa mo lang si mama mo, sunodon mo kay amoy na ang ikaayan sa future mo. Dahil ka malimot sa mahal na Diyos, kaya amoy na ang mag-guide sa futuro mo pag-abutin pa lang. Happy birthday ulit and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Next we have Ray Romeo Guam. And we have the daughter, Nicole Guam.
Happy birthday. Good evening po sa boss. Happy birthday pa. Wish you all the best and magtapos ka sa pag-eskwela ngayon. Thank you po.
Next we have Wilmore Abo. Wilmore Abo.
More pa more. Okay. Gusto mo rin na bagay sa'yo, boss? Siyempre, sa maganda yung na nagsilibrar sa Nika Disuchi. Na birthday. Ma'am, wish ko sa inyo, siyempre, pagtapos ng pag-eskwela, na tama si Matias ko na yan may magbati sa nagbay sa magulang, kaya naman siya ay ko sa magulang nito sa pagkas. At siyempre, ang maligira pa, magbati sila, hindi ka na. Siyempre, sa lola, sa mga tita, tito. Yan. Stay beautiful. Yan. Wala. Nag-celebrate meron siya. Ano yan? Tapos eskwela, kaya mo na naging, siyempre, mabot ang panahon, may na po ito. Relax ba ang mga magulang. Kung nakita mo kami ng tito mo, duloy, papa mo na tagay-tagay, nag-anway na kami sila. Bilang magulang niyo, siyempre, nag-iisip kung paano ang pagkaburuay sa pamilya, kabatitan, pero kung sila mabot na panahon. Pag nagpamilya ka mo, maisip ka mo, yun po lang isa. Sa niyan, kami, pang-eskwela. Happy birthday. God bless.
Next we have the Honorable Councilor of Uban, and aspirant as Vice Mayor of Municipality of Buban, we have Mr. Pupo Olundris.
Hello, Pam. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Be a compliment to others and finish your studies. Yan ang pinaka-regalo sa pamilya, lalo na karamamang papa mo. And ang pag-boyfriend, nakahulat ng ano? Ano ka? Iga rin eh? Ha? Oo pa, hadlok pa. Pero siyempre, unahon ang mga dapat unahon, lalo na ang pagklase. And yada lang yun para sa maging gumaman, maging inspiration ha. Kaya ito na maging stress load sa buhay. Okay, happy birthday gihapon and enjoy the day. God bless.
Thank you very much. Next we have Robert Ingera. Kagawad Roberto Ingera.
Just maray na banggit namin sa Gabos. Pam, happy 8th birthday. Wish ko lang 4 birthdays ko pa. Adaling mag-eskwela si Mayad para makatapos. So, sige Raray, happy birthday with you.
Thank you. Next, we have the fairy godmother of the debutant. We have Kagawad Roel Dukay.
Masabat na naman. Ini pang narigalo ko sa iyo. Happy birthday ulit. In good evening, Pam. Daraga ka na, para ko, daraga pa hanggang yan. Wala mag-comment. Pero Pam, may narigalo ko sa iyo dahil sa 8th birthday ka na, sa day lang naman yun. Pero it will make you shine and beautiful if you use it. Pero diyan nagkagabihon, happy birthday and salamat. Igso! Salamat sa iyo na mag-agrong sa pag-invite sa ako. Nag-tell ako yan sa iyo. And then, the most igso. Salamat po sa Gabos and good evening. Happy birthday, Rich Mom.
Thank you very much. At natatanging palakpakan po sa ating 8th gift. Maraming salamat po. Okay, we'll have the group picture. Yung ating mga guests. Can I invite the 8th kids for the group picture, please? Thank you. To be started by the fairy godmother, please. And This is now the most awaited of our debutants. 18 roses, when represent a number, can either symbolize internal friendship or a secret admirer. Sabi nga, if you wish to tell a loved one to stay young and beautiful, give them an 18 roses as a symbol of sincerity and fruitfulness. Ladies and gentlemen, we will come now to the 18 roses with the handsome bachelor with a debutant. We start with Jerry Esquinas, the brother of the debutant. Karen Abisan. have Ken Zayan Dukot. Do I correctly pronounce the name? Next we have Sherwin Fontanar. Next we have Michael Suzuki. Next we have Gary Petito. Next we have Mr. Denver Dubai. Next we have Roy Philippines. we have Mr. Jeff Florida. Next we have Mr. Brian Valenzuela. Next we have Mr. Luis Lagamayo. Next we have Mr. Chad Arilana. Next we have Don Loy Noela. Next we have Mr. Ken Esquilona. mother of the digital teacher for Tinato, Gina. Gina Junior. Thank you very much. Good picture again. Okay, we will request now the roses for the group pictures. Thank you.
Wait lang. Isa pa. Tingin dito. Isa pa. Everybody, Waki! Waki! One. Smile. 1, 2, 3.
May we request classmate of Pamela, classmate, high school classmates, I think. Both girl or boy. Classmate. Okay, stand up. Classmates. Junior high school or senior high school classmate, please. A classmate mo, sorry, godmother. Okay, I'm going to ask some questions about Pamela. Is the best friend of Pamela? Best friend? Pinsan. Cousin, please. Sinong best friend? Ay, ikaw. Okay. Thank you. In one word, how can you describe Pamela?
Years naman na friendship ni Pam. Wait lang. Matangko hindi.
you. Thank you very much. How about Sister? Sister Pamela? Kayla? Okay, Kayla, come here. Sister. Okay, what's make Pamela happy? Okay, next question to best friend na boy. Sinong best friend na boy sa Asian Roses? Sino? Chan. Okay, Chan. Come here, Chan. Chad. Chad. Come here. Who is Pamela celebrity crush?
Joshua Garcia.
It is Joshua Garcia. Okay. How about, I think, sino yung kanina yung last na nag-message from the, halika dito, halika. May tatanong lang ako sa halika. Halika, dali. Halika. How long na maging friend kay Pamela? Kapag lang? Since birth. So, ibig sabihin, kung since birth kayo, as friendship ni Pamela, alam mo ang mga sekreto na Pamela. May mga alam ka din. Okay. Tingnan natin. Sino nandito ba? Nandito ba sa 18 Roses na cast ang manliligaw ni Pamela? Hindi. Okay. Sino ang crush ni Pamela nung high school? Sinong Teo yan?
Kaya Korea po.
Okay. Umiyak ba si Pamela nang dahil sa crush?
Opo.
Ano ang rason?
Kaya nag-message siya kay lola niya sa concert.
Saan? Ano daw? Halika. Marites muna tayo. Halika dito. Marites muna tayo. Mas marami itong alam. Okay. Bakit siya umiyak?
Kaya nag-iyak po si Teo sa concert about sa lola niya na namatay.
Hindi naman walang relasyon doon sa crush.
Hindi si Teo.
Ang lola ni Teo namatay. Kaya umiyak si Pamela. Okay, thank you very much. How about the boys? As a brother, halika dito, brother. Brother Louie. Okay, the question is, how do you think Pamela is from positive trait? Ano yung mga positive trait ni Pamela?
Makusugang po. Makusugang po. Minsan wala siya suko. Yan minsan man sa amo lang inanakalinga sa amon sa mga batik. Matibangin siya matibang ng batik. Bugawa. Ha? Pag sinabi pa na naiyak, iiyak talaga.
Okay, thank you. How about the mother? Mama, come here. Question is, nung bata pa si Pamela, alam ba mga 1 year old, ilang ano yun to? Pillow? Ano Tagalog sa pillow? Unan. Ilang unan ang ginagamit ni Pamela?
3.
Sa ngayon po, ilang unan ang ginagamit ni Pamela?
5.
Okay, thank you very much. How about the father? Dili, dito, at least malaman natin kung anong mayroon si Pamela. How is Pamela as daughter?
May kanya-kanya din lang. Masunggo. Pero, happy.
Thank you very much. Maraming salamat po. So, welcome now. Another intermission number, a song number, to be given to us by cousins. Cousins ba? A brother, okay. We'll call in Miss Feby de Alca and Jerry is Hinas. A song number.
Hello. Hello.
Nag-aabang ng bago sa istorya ko. Paulit-ulit ngayon, paulit-ulit ngayon. Ito na naman ako, tinitingnan sa nagkamali ang puso ko. Parang walang katapusan, walang katapusan. Kahit pilit pa ang sarili, ibigin kang mali. Ako'y mali, ako'y mali. Paano bang magmahal, kailan mo masasaktan? Umiiyak na lang sa langit, okay lang mag-isa. Paano bang magmahal, kailan mo masasaktan?
ibibigin ng mali, parang mali, parang mali. Paano ba magmahal na lagi kong nagsasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano ba magmahal na lagi kong nagsasaktan? Lagi na lang dumari, ngunit ayaw lumisan. Paano ba magmahal sa lagi kong nagsasaktan? Umiiyak na lang palagi, gusto ko nang lumisan. Paano ba magmahal sa lagi kong nagsasaktan? Lagi na lang dumari, umiiyak na lang palagi, lagi na lang dumari, umiiyak na lang palagi, ngunit ayaw lumisan.
Thank you very much, Febby and Jerry. "18 shots, a toast or a drink is taken to honor the debutante. This is called the 18 shot ritual. 18 important people are chosen to honor the lady of the night. The people need to finish their well wishes first before the actual toasting. Ladies and gentlemen, to offer the 18 shot, we'll call in. First, we have Mr. John Dave D. Alca. Number wishes. Next, we have Jay Isquilona. And we have, okay, all I thought, ang bibigyan ang inyong nag-ibigyan. Okay. Next, we have Julius Gadil. Next, we have Arjon Gridonia. Next, we have Mr. Kenneth Abrinca. Next, we have Mr. Jomar Ducay. Next, we have Mr. Jerry Isquianas. Next, we have the singer, Febby D. Alca. Ibigay na natin ito. Okay lang yan. Sayang naman itong kakataon. Next, Kyla Isquenas. Next, we have Miss Sherilyn Barcenas. Next, we have Riza Isquilona. Next, we have Harleen Abitan. Next, we have Newport Abitan. Next, we have Don Lloyd Gineta. Next, we have Netroy Felicilio. have milk Bidonia. Bidonia, please. Do I pronounce your name correctly? Milk. Next, we have Kimberly Borromeo, the best friend of the Digitan. And the last is Giselle is Gilas.
Busan-busan tayo. Dahil ako puwas.
Okay, wait. Before we do the 8 shots, may I request